All right, these are the instructions for creating a keyframe animation on position and scale. So if you have an illustration or photo or video and you want to move around it and zoom into part of it as it's playing or as you are seeing it, this is how you do that. This is mostly useful with still images. All right. So I'm going to click on my image in the timeline. Sure, I already need it in the timeline. And then I'm going to go up here, top left, where it says Effect Controls. I'm going to click that. And I'm going to make sure the scrubber is all the way to the left edge of the image. So scale and position are right up here. So what I want to do is click on the stopwatch to the left of position, click on the stopwatch to the left of scale. All right, let's start with scale. So let's say I want to zoom into the face here. So you could be zooming into any part of the image, but let's say I'm going to go zoom into this face. So I've locked in the position here. You can see the diamonds. Once I click those stopwatches, I've got my diamonds right here. Wherever the scrubber was at. And now I'm going to go out a little bit, anywhere, it doesn't matter where, just come out somewhere into the display of this image, in this case the 5-second display, and I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to click on this. You can see right here I've got this, it's a scrubby key they call it. So if I click, hold, and drag to the right, I zoom in. If I drag to the left, I zoom out. Okay, so I want to zoom in. And now if I move my playhead back and forth, I can see that animation taking place between the two keyframes. I want the zoom to take the whole 5 seconds, so I'm just going to click on this little diamond and drag it all the way to the left. So now when I play it, it just zooms in like so. Okay. Now, as you see, as I zoom in, I'm kind of moving away from the head, or the head's going to get chopped off. So I want to bring the frame down as I'm zooming in. So that's going to be controlled up here in position. So again, make sure your scrubber's all the way to the left. I'm going to come out here somewhere, anywhere past, anywhere in the middle is fine. And I'm going to look at this first one is the X direction, the second one's the Y direction. Since I want to go down, I want to have this image go down. I want to scrubby key to the right and have it come down to the center there. Okay. So now if I scrub back and forth, you can see what it's doing. And I want to move this diamond all the way over to the end as well. So now when I play it, I'll just zoom straight in to the face. Okay, so that is actually called the Ken Burns effect, because he makes a lot of documentaries with pictures and he makes a move like that. But otherwise, that's what you want to do. Keyframe animation right here in Premiere Pro. All right, good luck.